What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Mobile Detailing. In this video, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys our silver detail package. So this is our most popular package. This includes a full interior cleaning, a full engine bay cleaning, and a full exterior wash and wax with the wheels, door jambs, windows, and all that good stuff. So we have this Honda Pilot right here. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys some quick before shots of the car, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the after results and the during results, because we're gonna go ahead and transform this car. So stay tuned and let's take a look at the car. So we already started with the drill brush. This car has a lot of pet hair and it has a lot of stuff stuck in between the carpets and the fibers. So we need a lot of attention on these carpets right now. So we're gonna get all hands on board for the vacuum. So that way it's a lot easier and quicker, because that's what's gonna take us the most time. So we have these door jambs right here, which are filthy, disgustingly dirty. And the outside is just terrible, you guys. You guys can see even all the cracks and crevices have dirt and stains inside of them. These wheels need some good cleaning for sure. So like I mentioned, we are gonna do the engine bay for this one. And this car is super hot. The client just dropped it off to us, so the engine bay is steaming right now. But this car shouldn't be too bad. I mean, it's pretty dirty, honestly. It shouldn't be too bad to get it cleaned up and stuff like that. So here's a look. The exterior, it's a Honda Pilot. Time is currently 12:13. So let's see how long me and the guys take on this detail here. We're not gonna rush it, but we are gonna try to, be as efficient as possible with the detail process and everything like that. So all right, guys, so since this car was super dirty, I went ahead and rinsed the car down, or rinsed the van down, and then I applied our degreaser. So we did an APC rinse, so I sprayed it down with some degreaser, let it sit for a few minutes, and now we're just rinsing that off. Now this car, in between the cracks and crevices, if you guys can see, was filled with a lot of dirt and grime. So what we did was just simply pressure washed it in the corners and stuff like that, instead of having to go in there with some brushes and stuff like that. I'm going for the easy, efficient method, which is just using the tools that we have. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and focus a little bit on the trunk, on the hood, because I know I haven't looked up there, but just by looking at it I can tell that's very dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the top down, go all the way down, and then get in between all these cracks and crevices as best as possible with our pressure washer gun. So we rinsed this thing down like 3 times already, you guys, no cap, like 3 times, and it's still dirty. Now the reason why we're rinsing it down is because we don't want to wash with dirt. So we need to basically clean it before we even start washing it, because if we wash it how it is now, we're just essentially going to get it on the wash mitt and start scratching this thing up. So we don't want to do that. So it's important we rinse it off very thoroughly. All right, so an important tip, see these wiper blades? You could look at from my angle, you can see that dirt in there. You guys see that? Very important tip. Sometimes you might think, oh, I rinsed this thing now, you put it back down. No, it's still dirty. So you're gonna just hold it in place a little bit so it doesn't go flying, and just rinse it off. Voila, there you have a clean wiper blade. And I did the same for the 2 front ones. but I just didn't record it.
You know what I think would be nice?
What?
A GoPro almost. Like, you know those thingies?
That would be nice, bro. Like on your chest or your head.
Yeah. That'd be nice, like the POV type stuff.
Shit will go viral ASAP.
Like, it'll look like this, literally.
Yeah, because I can't do it because I gotta use both my hands to detail. So the GoPro would be clutch. So since I know I'm not gonna be getting it perfect, we always come by with the towel and wipe the rim. All right, YouTube, so the time is currently 2:20 and we just finished this detail here. We're trying to finish by 2 o'clock, but as always, we always run behind a few minutes. So this is the finished look here at this Honda Pilot. Again, 2:20 on the clock. I can't remember what time we finished, but you guys will see in the video here. I'm still going around just wiping small areas that we could have overlooked, but the car in the interior, man, this thing was transformed. So here's a look at the interior here. You guys saw how it was looking at first. It had a lot of dog hair. It was pretty filthy and messy. So we got it all vacuumed up, cleaned up, detailed, shined. We steam cleaned the carpets up. These are leather seats, so we didn't have to shampoo them. Yeah, door panels were wiped clean and everything like that. All of the interior windows and glass. This was also cleaned here in the driver's side. See it? Cup holder, air vents, everything was nicely detailed and cleaned. All of the door jambs were also very clean because these things were filthy, as you guys saw in the video here. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk and the gas cap for you guys. So here's a look at the gas cap. It's definitely a lot cleaner than what it was. Let's pop this trunk here. This was the most dirtiest spot of the car, was the outside of the trunk and the trunk jam. So we all put in the effort to make sure that it was clean. I'm sure the client's gonna be super happy because this car is looking brand new again. We also did the engine bay. Can one of y'all pop the engine bay for me, please? We also did the engine bay. Wheels and tires were cleaned up, shined up. All the trim was cleaned and wiped clean with our 303 aerospace. So now we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys the engine bay right here. And look at that, you guys. Brand new, brand new, brand new. So this is end of the video right here. This is the end of the detail. Hopefully you guys like this video here. Look at me, you guys. I'm looking like, sheesh, I'm looking crazy, yo. It's real hot. I can't even put these shades on. They're so hot. So right now it's actually 95 where we are. I know you probably are struggling a lot more than we are, so I'm trying not to complain, but it's super hot, you guys. Like, it's very hot right now, and we have no shade anywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm gonna head to the house, edit this video up, and then I'll catch you guys on the next one. Really do appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and subscribe to Mendez Mobile Detailing, man. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. Let's go.